Hello, good morning everyone. I am Suchita Panda, belong to the Computer Science and Engineering Department, Assistant Professor in Hoshiarpur University. So let's start today's session. In today's session, I am going to teach the subject mobile computing. And in this subject, mobile computing, a particular topic I am going to discuss in today's class, that is mobile IP. Okay, which is a very important concept in mobile computing paper, that is mobile IP. So let's discuss first IP. Everyone knows that IP is internet protocol address, IP address, all the network addressing terms that addressing related things, it happens in the network layer of the OSI model, open system interconnection. There are 7 layers in the OSI model, and among the 7 layers, the addressing related things, it happens in the network layer of the OSI model. So IP address, basically it is the logical address of a device. Okay, so let's come to the point, that is mobile IP. Why IP is made mobile? Okay, what is the main reason behind it? So before starting this concept mobile IP, let's discuss that who designed this concept mobile IP. Internet Engineering Task Force, actually this IETF, okay, this actually designed the basic concept of this topic mobile IP, and this is a very important concept in which it actually a mobile IP, it is a communication protocol which allow mobile devices to move from one network to the another network, but without changing the IP address. That is the main concept behind the mobile IP. So here question arises that why IP is made mobile? What is the main reason behind it? Because while moving, during mobility, sometimes it happens IP address change, but the system needs to be reconfigured. IP address changes and also the system also needs reconfigured. That's why the IP is made mobile. Okay, this is the main concept behind the mobile IP, which is clearly mentioned here. You can see the problem occurs when a device roams away from its home network. Home network means where the device is originally present, that is the home network, and it is no longer reachable using the normal IP routing. This results in the active session of this device being terminated. So the concept mobile IP was created to enable users to keep the same IP address. Point this, please be focused in the point, that is the IP address will be same. IP address cannot be changed, but with the help of KRF address, we can send the message from one network to the another network. The devices will be movable. Okay, but the IP address cannot be changed. This is the main concept of mobile IP. So I hope this concept, the basic concept of mobile IP is clear. Okay, so let's discuss the next. What are the main terminology of mobile IP? What are the main things which is also very important to know? It's very important part that what are the terminology behind the mobile IP, because without knowing the terminology which is needed in this mobile IP concept, then it will be, if we can't understand about this the terminology, then it will be very difficult to understand the data flow in the mobile IP. Okay, so let's discuss. There are basically few terminology which is involved in the mobile IP, that is MN, mobile node, then home agent, then foreign agent, then KRF address, and also corresponding node. So let's discuss one by one. That is first mobile node. Mobile node means basically the device, the system. Okay, mobile node, the system, MN, okay, the system that can change the point of connection to the network without changing its IP address. The mobile node means the actual device, the actual system. Then the home agent, basically agent here means we are using a device, the network device name is router. and we are giving a name to this router, that is the home agent. Why it is the home agent? Name of router is home agent because the home agent is now connected to the home network. What do you mean by home network? Because where the originally the mobile node is present, that area is known as home network, and the router which is connected to the home network, that is known as home agent. I think this is clear to all of you. Okay, so home agent means the router. Agent means basically the device. Why we are using a router here? Because the router is a network device which is used in the network layer. Okay, just because we are using the concept of network layer here, because the IP addressing, totally network addressing belong to the network layer, that's why we are using the network device router here. Okay, the router in the home network of the MN which registered the location of the MN. Basically registration is also important part here of the mobile node. Okay, and then come to the point, that is foreign agent. Foreign agent means another also important concept here, terminology, home network, as we already discussed here. And next is foreign network. Home network means where the device is originally present, and the foreign network means when the device shift from one place to another place, and that another place is known as foreign network. Okay, so that's why this is known as foreign network, and the device known as router which is connected to the foreign network, that is known as foreign agent. Okay, the router in the current visited network of the MN, because here now the mobile node is present in the foreign network, that's why the foreign agent, it holds the current address of the mobile node. Okay, and the next concept is COA. COA is, it is the very important part of the foreign network, because IP address remains same, but with the help of care-up address means COA, which holds the current location of the mobile node with respect to the IP. Okay, in terms of IP. So that's why, and only COA, only the foreign agent holds the address, care-up address, not the home agent. Okay, so care-up address, the address of the current tunnel endpoint of the mobile node, that is the care-up address. And corresponding node, very easy point, means the node which is now interested to communicate with the mobile node, and that node is known as corresponding node. Means in simple language we can say corresponding node is your communication partner with whom you are now communicating, then that node is your corresponding node. Okay, so then let's see, the in this diagram we can easily, it will be easy for all of you, that the basic concept you can easily understand this concept here. The home network here, and it is now the foreign network. Originally the device is here in the home network, but when the mobile node is shifted from the another network, then that network is known as foreign network. Okay, you can clearly see the IP address of this mobile node. Okay, IP address is here 131.5.24.8. okay, and here also you can see IP address will not be changed, that is the main concept of mobile IP, but with the help of care-up address we can send the data from home network to the foreign network with the help, and foreign agent only holds the address, care-up address, COA. This is the main important focus point of this concept. Okay, mobile IP, care-of address, COA. Only foreign network hold the address, that care-of address. Okay, so here the home agent means the router which is connected to the home network, that is known as for a home agent, and the router which is connected to the foreign network, that is known as foreign agent. Agent is nothing but a router, that is the network device which is connected to the home network as well as the foreign network. Okay, and all are the communication occurred with the help of internet. Okay, I think this diagram is clear to all of you, and whatever I discussed in the previous slide, clearly it has been seen here. That is the router which is connected to the home network, that is known as home agent. The router which is connected to the foreign network is known as foreign agent. Okay, and here now the mobile node, if when originally present here, same node, the devices cannot be changed. Okay, just device is shifted to the foreign network. With the help of care of address, we can deliver the data. Okay, so let's see here the basically the data flow in the mobile IP, how the data flow occurs in the mobile IP. So let's start from here. Okay, this is the server X, means this is known as corresponding node. And what is corresponding node? We can see, we have already seen in the previous slide, that is corresponding node means your communication partner with whom you are communicating. So server X is nothing but the corresponding node. Now the corresponding node suppose wants to communicate the node which is present in the home network, and suppose here the node is A, the mobile node name is A. So first work of the corresponding node is to send message, the original data. Suppose the corresponding node wants to communicate with the node which is present in the home network, that is A. So corresponding node send signal to the home agent, send message to the home agent. Because why? Because the home agent, it is connected to the home network. Okay, so first of all it will send data to the home agent, and then if the node is present in the home network, then the home network will receive the message from the corresponding node, then communication will be successfully done. But sometimes a problem also arises that if the node is not present in the home network, okay, then what happened? Suppose the mobile node is now shifted to the foreign network, then it's totally wastage of time for the corresponding node. Okay, I think you are getting my point. That is the node now is not here in the home network, it has already been shifted to the foreign network. Then what will be the our next step? With the one and most important step, that is with the help of, if we want to communicate with the mobile node which is now is present in the foreign network, with the help of one thing we can communicate, that is known as COA, care of address, which is already, which the foreign agent already contained, the foreign agent already hold the care of address of the mobile node A. So without any delay, the home agent will send the message through the help of tunnel. Tunnel means where the datagram flows. Okay, now the packet will be shifted with the help of tunnel to the foreign agent. Why? Because foreign agent holds the care of address of the mobile node. Then after receiving the data from the home agent, foreign agent will decapsulate the data. Here encapsulation of packet occurs, and after getting the message from the home agent, foreign agent will decapsulate the data. Then with the help of care of address, it will send the packet to the mobile node which is now present in the foreign network. Okay, so now the message is being getting, now the mobile node A will get the actual message from the server X, that is the corresponding node. After getting the message, now suppose the mobile node A wants to send the acknowledgement to the corresponding node, then similar process, then the mobile node will communicate with the foreign agent, then foreign agent will deliver the message, the acknowledgement message, to the corresponding node. So this is how basically the data flow occurs. Here encapsulation of the data occurs. Okay, and after passing through the message, okay, when the foreign agent will get the data, then decapsulation of the packet occurs, and then after decapsulating the data, then it will send to the mobile node. Okay, and after getting the message, the mobile node will communicate with the help of foreign agent. The mobile node will communicate with the corresponding node that I have got the message successfully. This is how mobile IP works. Okay, but sometimes the route is getting route is very congested. Sometimes the packet is not reaching to the destination, from source to the destination successfully. So we have to optimize that route. So what is the basic thing which we need to understand? How to optimize the route means how we improve the performance of this mobile IP concept. So basically, the three things is very important. The solution, how we optimize the route. The first solution, that is enabling the direct notification of the corresponding node without without sending the data, without moving the corresponding node, without moving the sending the data from corresponding node to the home agent. First of all, if we enable the notification that whether the mobile node is present in the home network or not, we can get the direct notification. If we enable this option, then it will also save our time and communication will be successfully done. Okay, no issue will be arise. Okay, so the next solution is direct tunneling. Means there will be the direct tunnel between the corresponding node and the home agent, or corresponding node or the foreign agent, then the message will be successfully sent. And the last solution, that is binding cache memory. Okay, binding cache. Okay, so these are the three solution of route optimization technique. But the main important thing, that is how the solution will be implemented. Is solution, for implementing the solution, there are also four very important things are there. That is binding request, binding acknowledgement, binding update, and binding warning. Binding request means, first, if the node wants to know the current location of the mobile node, then the node sends the request to the home agent without going to that home network. Particularly if we enable the notification, then it will also save our time. It will be easy to know that whether where the mobile node actually present. Request, after sending the request, then we can get the acknowledgement, yes, the device is now here. Okay, then it will be the easy process. Okay, we can optimize our route. Then the binding acknowledgement means sends by node as acknowledgement after receiving the binding update message. After request, when the corresponding node will send a request, then obviously an acknowledgement also will come from home network to the home agent to the corresponding node. Okay, then the binding acknowledgement. And the next process is binding update. Update message will be there sent by the home agent. Update message will be coming from home agent to the corresponding node, mentioning about the current location of the mobile node, where actually it present. Okay, that is the binding message. And the last most important thing is binding warning. Means sometimes what happens in the route while moving the packet, sometimes the wrong node decapsulate the packet. Okay, so when it happens, basically a warning message is sent to the home agent of the mobile node. Suppose another node by mistake, also intentionally, when wants to decapsulate the packet, then warning message must be there about these things. Okay, in this way we can optimize our route. Okay, I think this is the very important and most important part where we all have to aware about it. Okay, how the mobile IP works basically. Okay, so this is the main and basic concept of the mobile IP. Okay, I think this concept is clear to all of you. Okay, so now without any delay, okay, let's discuss the next topic, that is TCP/IP, because TCP/IP also another most important topic. It holds another very important part in the mobile computing paper. Okay, TCP/IP concept, because TCP/IP, it is a same thing. It is a concise version of the OSI model. Okay, and where OSI model contains 7 layers, but TCP/IP contains only 4 layers. by combining two or more layers. For example, the first layer of the TCP/IP model combines the two layers, physical and data link. Then the network layer is equivalent to the internet layer of the TCP/IP model. Then transport layer, it is totally equal to the transport layer. And then the upper three layers of the OSI model combine is after combining the three session of the OSI model, the upper layer we can design the upper last layer of the TCP/IP model, that is application layer. When we combine three layers of the OSI model, we can design the application layer of the OSI model. Okay, so this is also most important part. Okay, so in the next session we will discuss more about the TCP/IP protocol. Okay, thank you so much for today's class. Thank you.